Oh, the nerd fighters!
Hey everyone, my name is Jenny and I am the last video for the Occupations Week. So when I was first approached to do this video, I was joking with David that I would just talk about my actual job, which is just, I do administration work at University of Illinois at Chicago's dining services. And while I love my job and I love the people I work with, it's not the end goal. He wanted me to talk about the work that I did in a parasitology lab. Yeah, I know, parasites. Honestly, I don't work with human parasites. I just work with the ones that infect snails and birds. Mainly what our objectives are using these snails and birds and parasites in their wetland communities as a model for, bigger pictures. So what I love about working in that parasitology lab is my passion for diseases and pathogens. And so what the main goal is to become a disease ecologist or become an advocate for public health, but not necessarily with humans. I want to do it by researching the zoonotic or the animal position in the web of things. So when it comes to disease ecology, mainly what it is the interactions between pathogen and host within their environment. And there can be multiple hosts. I mean, humans are just one of them, but like I said, I work with birds as well. And at some point, I'd love to work with flying foxes or, fruit bats. Horses are another one. It would be just amazing to work with those types of hosts and just seeing how they become infected. And I could go on and on about why this is so interesting, but maybe I'll just do a video on my own channel about it, because I've only got 4 minutes here. The way that I got into it was, of course, because I went to school for biology, and while I was just attending some typical seminars that we hold at our school, I came across my now advisor who was giving a talk, and we had a conversation. And mainly what happens is, you just have to have that voice, and you have to be able to step out of your comfort zone and just ask, or, just start the conversation. And while it may be scary, the people that it matters most that you communicate with or network with, they appreciate that sense of, courage. So yeah, what's the end goal? Mainly what I want to do is I want to work for, government or industry and just do research on all of these different types of pathogens. Mainly the ones that I want to work with are under neglected tropical diseases, or NTDs. So yeah, disease ecology. It's pretty crazy and intense and just full of, math and biology and science. Even though it just sounds like a lot in your head might be exploding because of all of that information, it's actually a lot of fun. And if you take the time to just read, about 96% of research is just literally just reading other people's work. That remaining percentage is you actually, doing experiments and collecting data and then presenting your work elsewhere. So that's the end goal. I don't know. So I think I'll just end it there because I know I'm going to ramble a lot. Panina, I will see you tomorrow.